Hey divas, so in today's video we are going to be doing a different video. As you guys can tell, I am in a little bit of a different setting today, or yeah, it is like completely different setting than what we normally are when we are doing our wig reviews. I wanted to bring something a little bit different to my channel. I love to share with you guys like when I get good deals and everything on things, and I really love handbags and purses and crossbodies and all that. Like I really love bags. Like I just love them. So anyways, I wanted to share with you guys like affordable bags. I always share with you guys affordable maybe makeup and hair, so I did want to incorporate this as well. So anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right in. Okay, so the bags that I'm going to be sharing with you guys are by Guess. And I am super excited. I've always loved this brand since I was little because it's just like all their stuff is super cute, and I just really love their accessories and everything. So yeah, I was super duper excited to get my hands on these bags. And also I feel like it's a dupe for a particular bag, and you guys can guess and tell me which one you guys think once you guys see the bag and everything, and I'll probably have it in a thumbnail. So yeah, but anywho, let's just jump right in. So I do have 3 bags to share with you. However, I do feel like only 2 of them are like dupe, that it can be like dupes for it. It's not going to be exactly a lookalike, obviously, because I am trying to dupe a designer with another designer, and of course, you know, they always have their own little twist on it. But only 2 of them are going to be like what I would claim to be dupes, and then the other one is the same purse, but it has like the Guess monogram on it. So you guys will see what I'm talking about. But only 2 of these, in my personal opinion, are the dupes for what I will have in a thumbnail. And please make sure you comment down below and say what you think the dupe is. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with this one. So probably looking at the bag, you can already tell, or you already have like your guesses in saying which dupe do you think this is. So here is the beautiful bag here. I will find links and have them in the description box below, because for some reason this purse was taken off of the Guess website. I actually had to hunt these bags down because in different Guess stores, and I am in California, so it was a little bit fairly easy to find because we mostly have them in like LA, in the LA surrounding areas as well. But these bags are pretty hard to find, but I'm sure I'll be able to find a link somewhere, and I'll have it in the description box below. So anywho, here is the bag. I am going to open it up and everything, but I did want to tell you guys the name. I wanted to make sure I kept the tag so I can tell you guys the actual name of it. So this one is the Crystal Crossbody, and this one is in the color black, as you guys can see, and this bag is $59.99. So here it is. It's super duper cute, you guys. So it has like the little, it has like a flap, so you just open it, and once you open it, it does have the crossbody chain as well. So here is what it looks like. So yeah, has the crossbody chain, and you can adjust it because it has like this little buckle here where you can adjust it, and it has 4 holes, so you will be able to adjust it like to your liking. And then on the inside, it still has like the paper and everything, because the stuffing, because I've been dying to wear this bag, but I was like, nope, I'm gonna do a video for my fabulous divas. So once you take that out, here is what the inside of the bag looks like. So it does have like 2 pouches, and then it has like a pouch in the back with a zipper, and it also has the Guess logo on the inside. And the zipper is like where you could put like your more important things, or if you have like a card holder, which I have card holders by Guess. I was thinking about doing a haul on those too. You guys can let me know if you guys want to see that. But yeah, anywho, so back to the outside of the bag, I wanted to point out some of the details. So it does have this cute little chic chain, as you guys can see, and it does have this little rhinestone Guess like keychain, like a purse accent, and then it has Guess here as well. And this bag just looks so freaking cute. Like, how cute is this bag, divas? Like, I am absolutely loving it. You guys can let me know if you like it, but I think it's really cute. And yeah, like it can pretty much go with anything. You could wear it when you're dressed down, when you're dressed up, casual chic, whatever. I feel like this bag is perfect for that. So yeah, this is the Trista crossbody bag. I do have it in 2 other colors, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys those. So here is the next one that I have, and it is so freaking pretty. Pink is one of my favorite colors. My favorite colors are actually pink, yellow, and black, and I really do love this pink. Like, it's just so freaking pretty. And let me see the name of the color. So this one is in the color blush. So yeah, this bag is just so freaking pretty. I had to have it in this color because, like, how adorable is it? Especially if you are a lover of pink. Like, this is an absolute must-have. Like, do you see it? And I'm not going to show you guys the inside because obviously you already seen the other one. So, but yeah, I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys. And of course it comes with the strap and everything. But yeah, this one is the blush pink. And I know it's getting a little washed out on camera, but it is a really beautiful blush pink color. Okay, so last but certainly not least is this one. So this one is white, and it has like kind of like a Guess monogram print on it. And this one is actually called White Logo. So yeah, this is their logo bag, and I'll get a little bit close because I think the logo is getting kind of like washed out. So yeah, but this is what it looks like, and I thought this one was really nice as well, even though it's not like a solid color. Usually I go for solid color bags because I just like you can kind of pair them with everything, whereas with this I feel like I would have to be wearing a solid or something that's very plain. But I really did still like it. I thought it was like a really good buy, so I just went ahead and got this one as well. So let me get up close so you guys can see like what the logo looks like on it. But yeah, divas, that is pretty much it. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video because I really wanted to share with you guys like this cute bag. It's super affordable. It's only $59.99, and you can, like, you know, have like a really cute little bag to carry around with you every day or for special occasions, just depending on your personal taste. And yeah, I just wanted to really share it with you guys because I share with you guys affordable hair and affordable makeup and stuff like that all the time. I want to incorporate different things on my channel and let you divas know like the stuff that I get for, you know, the low low. So yeah, anyways, I hope that you girls have really enjoyed this video and found it very helpful and easy to follow. If you did, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up. That lets me know that you like these type of videos, and be sure to go ahead and leave me a comment. Like I said, let me know which one you think this is a dupe for. And be sure to go ahead and let me know how you guys feel about it, and be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell, girl, because I do upload quite often and you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.